Got a request for a video. I'm selling this 2004 S4. It is a 2004, even though it started out life as a B6. It is now a B7 with a RS4 wide body kit on it. They used OEM panels. It's actually pretty nicely done. And I apologize, I'm here in my garage, but start it up here. Supercharger does make a pretty loud whirring sound. It sounds pretty good, and actually when the door is closed you don't hear it really at all from the inside. And the exhaust note's pretty good. So it does run and idle pretty well. It pulls really well on the highway too. I'm not going to take any highway pulls or anything, but there you go. It's a running 2004 S4 B7 RS4, if you want to call it that. Thanks.